Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Afsha, and once again, we have gathered here to do debate. That is in the regard of plastic. That plastic should be banned or not. So, well, in my perception, plastic shouldn't be banned. So, well, now let's start. What are the reasons behind it? Why I'm in the favor of plastic? First of all, as you know, this thing that everywhere when you see there is plastic. Okay, even already our government has banned the plastic, but however, again, plastic came. Why? What was the reason behind it? Because the simple answer of this question that we cannot survive without plastic. Because even you do not have any idea that in our daily life how much plastic are we using. When you wake up early in the morning, what do you take in your hand at first? That is, of course, toothbrush you take in your hand. That is also made up of plastic. So how can you say this thing that without plastic we can survive? And if I tell you the report, according to United Nations Environment Program also says this thing that completely we can never remove plastic. So how can we remove plastic? Okay, and now here I would like to tell you in the transportation how plastic plays an important role. It's a very high weightage, as you all know very well. So if I talk about Airbus, so 22% plastic is used in the aeroplane to make aeroplane. So because of this thing, 15% fuel is saved. Okay, and as you know that we are dependent on the other countries for the fuel and for the other metals. So will it be possible? So we have to see sustainable development as well. Okay, because of the plastic. Now you must speak. Yeah.
So good evening to all. My name is Aman, and once more I am here with a very interesting and incredible topic, and also its infrastructure topic. So let's get started with my first point. Like first I want to answer to her. Like as she mentioned about the daily life, like we use of the plastic daily life, like whenever we woke up early in the morning. So first of all, we use of the plastic, like as she mentioned, and she mentioned as well that we use of the plastic in the air to make to build the aeroplane, like she mentioned well. So I want to tell to you that plastic, what means plastic is very harmful for our environment. And like, can you tell me, like by the plastic, how many diseases are increasing? Like plastic can never finish. And by the, like there are so many people who use of the plastic, they means after means they use of the plastic, they burn down of the plastic, then after burning of the plastic become microplastic, which means which is very harmful for us, which like you can see of the people, like people are making of the plastic, people are mixing of the plastic in the food, vegetables, and all that. In these kind of things, people are mixing of the plastic. Because of this thing, we are eating the food, and that food is going into our stomach by the esophagus, and after reaching the stomach, that food moves into the small intestine, that food moves into the large intestine. That what happens, do you know that, like you can see that our oral means digestion system damage just because of this. And do you know that which are the Wileys? I want to tell to you that Wiley is that system which increases the surface area for absorption. So brother, sister, you can see that people can't digest their food by the plastic. People are eating food in which the plastic involves. So what is happening nowadays? Just a second thing I want to mention here, that it's poison for our health, and microplastic goes into veins, lungs, and plasma, blood cell, red blood cell, white blood cell don't work, sorry. So what will happen at that time? We will not be able to survive. And do you know about that sustainable development? Like sustainable development says that we should use the product wisely, like we should save our products for the future generation. But it's happening, like people are throwing the garbage into the oceans, into the sea, river. Then at that time, what is happening, that which are the aquatic animals? So every year means billions of, means 1 million of the aquatic animal die just because of the plastic. they are not animal. And I want to tell to you that in the air, like if you compare air and water, so there is a lack of oxygen in the water. Why? Because, and you might have seen sometime that
Okay,
fish,
then-
like who are the aquatic, which are the aquatic animals, so they take breath very fastly with the very accelerate. Why? Because there is a lack of of the oxygen,
Oh,
and people
they
are
have
throwing
gills.
the garbage, plastic into the sea, into the river. What is happening? This thing now you can speak.
First of all, tell me that. First of all, tell me that are you teaching us science here and you are debating here on
Science is
the
everything,
plastic?
girl. Because of science we are here.
Please let me speak. Because here the topic is that plastic should be banned or not. But he is telling us digestive system that plastic goes in the esophagus and intestine. This and that. Okay, here we are talking about plastic should be banned or not. And he was talking about aquatic animals. Okay, I know this thing, but how do they take breath faster than us? Because of they means they do not have lungs. In the place of lungs, they have gills. Because of this thing, they take breath faster than us. Okay, it's not the answer that because of plastic, this thing is happening. No. And second thing, whatever you know that since when I have been sitting there, same thing I have been listening that because of the plastic, pollution is increasing and diseases are increasing. Except it, is there anything else? Because we know already that if we recycle plastic, there are diseases. If we do not recycle the plastic, however, there are diseases.
Okay.
So what can we do? Please let me see. So tell us any other option. Tell us any other solution by which we can remove the plastic. Right now, in place of plastic, we do not have any other material which we can use in place of plastic. Even as if I talk about like if we use like glass and even other metals, so what will happen? There will be wastage of the fuel. Because of this thing, what will happen? Fuel will be wasted. Fuel will be wasted. Okay, and it is limited. Now, one thing, same thing I would like to repeat here. We have to focus on the sustainable development. We have limited fuel. Okay, and now if I talk about here construction work. In the construction work, as or before some time, what used to happen? There were iron pipes. Okay, in our home. So then what happened? Like it get rust very easily. Because of this thing, people thought that in place of iron there should be plastic pipes. It will not get rust. You know this thing.
Sir.
So tell me that from.
like I'm doing.
So tell me, I would like to ask only simple thing that from how many things can you remove the plastic? From how many things? From this thing, from your mobile phone, from the pan, from AC, refrigerator, etc.
So, like as she mentioned about the plastics and like how can we survive without the plastic, scientists are here. Definitely they will do something. Like when our government will pay attention on our environment, on our all things, which are the needs. There are so many alternatives by which our scientists will do work on those. Okay, so by which we will be able to survive without plastic. And you are talking about the development, you are talking about the sustainable development. Fish takes breath by the gills and all that, whatever you like, whatever you were saying. So I want to tell to you that in the sustainable development, it like there were so many countries, means prime minister had come together and they decided that means we should pay attention on our environment, by which our future generation will be able to will not be able to suffer the out of the big adversities. So as you were saying, and I want to tell to you that you were saying that which kind of things we can remove in our life which are made by the plastic. So I want to tell to you that you are talking about the AC, fridge, washing machine, fan, like whatever you were saying. So there are so many alternatives. On those means our scientists can do work and our country can become better. And I want to tell you that 91 plus countries have been removed the plastic by their prime minister. Okay, and so these kind of things should happen in our country, by which our country will be able to live more good with the good things.
So
Thank you so much for
I
listening.
have to correct him. Sir, only one thing I have